How to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages not loading problem. If you want to fix it, just watch until the end. So first thing guys you have to do is open the settings on your phone, then go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here in the top. Scroll until you find Instagram. If you didn't find it, just search for Instagram and click on it. Now all what you have to do here is go to this data usage option, scroll, make sure that all those options are enabled like this, go back, click on the storage, click here on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on force stop, and now reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.